It is the beginning of the week and I am trying to do some like pretty good cleaning as far as like things that I want to get done. I had all the laundry to fold from the weekend, cleaning that, and then also I really want to vacuum the couch, vacuum and mop the floors, and then clean the bathroom. So that's my goal before my husband gets home. I've been kind of procrastinating and it is already almost 3, so he will be home pretty soon, so I'm gonna whip this out real quick. So I really like vacuuming the couch, especially with a dog that like we let on the couch, just because it really helps get dog hair, get any dirt, and then I like to spray it at the end with a like pet deodor spray, and it just makes it feel so much cleaner. I also vacuum the pillows, and that helps a lot too. I do wash the pillows in the washing machine like once a month probably, and I try to wash the blankets weekly or like switch them out. But I'm also disinfecting countertops and just like really trying to deep clean this place. It has been a great day. I kind of relaxed and watched some TV, but then I got the cleaning done. So I'm eating some fish tacos and having a good evening. I hope that you all have a great day, and if you like this cleaning video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more cleaning videos like this, please let me know in the comments. What is your favorite vacuum? I love the Dyson, so you tell me what your favorite is, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a good day.